Good day guys and welcome to this video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the updated way to speak with MTN Customer Care. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now first you need to head over to your phone dialer. So this is my phone dialer, dial 300, then select your MTN sim and call this number. Okay, so now after dialing this number, now follow this prompt to speak with a customer care agent. So now once you're on the call, they will actually ask you, do you want to speak with MTN customer service? Just press 1 for MTN customer service. Okay, then on the next part, press 1 to continue with your preferred language if it's English, or select 2 to be addressed to another language. After that, now the next part, you need to tap number 2 to continue without accepting any offer. After that, now wait till they get to number 5, then press 5 for support. You just need to press 5 for support. Then after the support, now you need to press 0 to speak with the customer care representative. Okay, so guys, this is how it will look like via image. I made a screenshot on that. So this is how it would look like. So this is how the prompt would look like. Okay, 11250. Okay, so as you can see, after you have inputted this, like you inputted this accordingly, you'll be transferred to a customer care agent and they will address your concern once they pick their call. So okay, that's guy, as easy as that. That's how you speak with the updated way to speak with an MTN customer care agent or representative. So before I conclude, once again, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.